hugs and friendly smiles, just like this.
Share your toys and say hello. Let your caring feelings show.
Kindness is a superpower, yes, it is. When a friend is feeling blue, lend an ear.
Say I'm here and I care, loud and clear.
Give a hug or write a note. Kind words always help the most. Kindness makes the world so bright, full of cheer. Kindness, kindness every day, in the things we do and say. Big or small, it's always right to treat each other warm and kind. Hold the door or help them stand, take their hand.
Say please and thank you, that's the plan.
Kindness grows from me to you, spreading joy in all we do. Let's be kind in every way we can. Kindness, kindness every day, in the things we do and say. Big or small, it's all